Yo, what's up, y'all? I'm back with another skate video from over. I got a new sight on it, as you can tell. A little green dot, because the other one, it wouldn't stay good. Like, it was weird, it wasn't staying on there good, it would come loose a lot. So I got this one, I still have the other one. It's a white dot, I might do it. I'm shooting Rio number 7's target load. I've never even shot these, so I have no clue how this is gonna go. The button still ain't working, so I'm gonna have to manually do it from right beside it. But I hope these number 7's are good for skeet. It said they were. I could have got number 8 game loads, but they were like $8 more expensive. And I was like, yeah, no, I ain't getting that. Let's adjust it a little. Start off with an easy one that way. Alright. How'd I miss? I thought it was going more that way. These feel weird. I don't know why. That was warm up. Like I said, it's kind of hard to shoot like this. Nailed that one. That first shot was a practice shot. I got 25 shells, so we're 1 for 2 right there. We'll see how many we can get. I'm gonna try and keep track. Two for 3. We'll go right here. Oh, redo. I don't even know what noise I just made. I forgot to take it off safety because normally I have it off before I shoot. And I'm not normally pulling for myself either. Obliterated that one. I like these. They shoot pretty good for skeet. Now, I can't use these in competition, I don't think so. They don't really matter. But I'm just shooting with them because they were the cheaper reel they had. And your boy ain't made money like that. Shell's too expensive. I didn't even find that one. I don't know why I shot. Well, 3 for 5. This makes me mad. I can do way better when I can actually fully focus and I'm not talking to y'all, entertaining y'all. And I'm not pulling for myself straight off the machine. It'd be easier if I had that. But it'll be alright. I obliterated that one. What's that? 5 for 7. We only missed 2. I want to far out that one. Alright. Make sure we're ready. Oh my, what happened there? I thought I flicked it off safety, but I was wrong. I waste more this way than I do like that, but at least I can just go back and pick them up. I'm kind of low on them anyway. Yeah, alright, I'm restarting on safety. We're gonna pretend that didn't happen, y'all. And I act like I'm not retarded. I busted that one. Well, what's that? 6 for 8, not bad. I would get my dad to come out there and like, that'll be alright. Because then I'd have to use even more shells because he'd want to shoot. Because that's always how it goes. I'm going to shoot like this right here. Go ahead and get it. I might go get more shells, freak it. Because I have enough to go a good while. I'm about to go get more skeet. Finally got it. Alright, well that's 7 for 11. That ain't good. Yes, sir. We're gonna give myself a low one. Will you pull for me for this one? Alright, now I'll actually show y'all how I shoot now. We can do this kind of for real. Was she scared?
I'm trying to work her into it. What are you doing?
Wait on you. Oh. I might have to go get more skeet. Did I load it? Yeah. Alright, yo. God, I shot beside it. I threw up and just shot. I didn't even look for it. That makes me mad. I hate when I do that. I just can't control myself sometimes like that. Gosh. This is kind of hard, doesn't it? I have to like pull for myself, then find it, and throw up. I shot better last time I did this, but it'll be alright. I'm gonna do it like I did then. I already have the gun right here, so it's somewhat ready. There we go. How's she doing? I think he brought her up here to warm her up in here. Dead bird. I hate when it does that. I shot over that one. I hate when I let him get so far out there. But I kind of have to do that every time with this. Because it's hard to shoot when I don't. Nope, that was an empty spot. 2 empty spots. I shoot beside it every time when I miss. Because I never have enough time to get on it before it gets too far. I should have shot that one. Under that one. I'm shooting like crap. Yet again, I think these have less pellets than what I'm used to. But it'll be alright. I'll shoot my good shells in practice. I hate when I do that. It's because I always start with my gun off safety, but I don't do it out here because I have to pull for myself. How'd I miss that? I am man shells. I don't like these number 7s. Oh, that's about to mess up, yep. Oh, it sent one, never mind. Oh my lord, what the freak? Why is it doing this? I gotta look at letting it get so far out there, and that's my problem. There we go. Alright, y'all. I think I'm gonna shoot 3 more. And then I'm calling it a day. A day on camera, I reckon. Alright, 2 more. I melted that one. I wonder how far I can let one get out there with these. This is the last shot, but I'm gonna have one more shell and I'm gonna see how far I can get out. I got a little piece of that one, barely. I can barely see it going into the sun like that. Alright, I'm gonna do a high one. Let it get real far out there for the last shot. The grand finale, I'm gonna do it away from the sun though. Alright, y'all ready? Oh, we're after them. Never mind, y'all. So sorry about that. Didn't mean to lie to y'all. Well, y'all, peace out. I'll see y'all in the next video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Leave a like and a sub. I shot alright. This is, like I said, it's hard pulling free, so